Hey guys, today we are going to see another 5 by 5 Rangoli design. So we'll start by making a small diamond in the center. But today it will not just be a diamond, we'll loop around the top dot and the bottom dot while doing a diamond. So let's start. So we'll start from here, drawing a diamond. Make a loop around the top dot. Continue making the diamond shape. Again, make a loop around the bottom dot and then finish your diamond. This will be the center design. And then we are going to be making like a big X. We'll be looping around every two dots in the corners. And then make an inside curve. Again, two dots diagonally, loop around them. Inside curve. And then one final loop around the diagonal. Next, at the top, draw two cylinders. One over there and one over here, connecting those two dots. At the bottom, you can notice there are one extra dot. So while looping around these two dots, also just go up and make one turn around that extra dot and then complete your diagonal. We will do the same here. And finally, draw a circle around the center dot. And that's all. You guys have another 5 by 5 design.